Marley, it's coming that Luna Girl has stolen a diamond. Oh no, what are we going to do? What are we going to do, Marley? Luna Girl has stolen a diamond. Quickly, put them all. Put Catboy in here. Put Catboy in.
Not too hard.
Too hard. Put Catboy in. Now turn it round. We need to get Catboy out. There we go. You went too far. There we go. Pull Catboy out. Here's Catboy. Oh no, we're going to have to go and save the day because Luna Girl stole a diamond. Here we go. Oh no, we need Gecko as well. Let's put Gecko, let's get Gecko out. We'll turn Gecko into Gecko Boy.
Yeah.
Put Green Boy in.
Daddy.
Oh, you can't put it in. Let's put it in. Okay, now turn it around. We'll get Gecko Boy out. Oh, haven't put him in properly.
Yeah.
There we go. Turn it around. We've got to get Gecko Boy out. Get Gecko Boy out.
Good Catboy.
Oh, that's good. Put Catboy in the car. So you put Gecko Boy in the car while we have a look at Catboy in the car. Put Gecko Boy in his car. Here's Catboy in his car, getting ready to go and save the day. Okay, you put Gecko Boy in his car. Next we've got to get. What's her name? Owlette. We've got to get Owlette out. Okay. Okay, Owlette's in.
Yeah.
So press the button, we'll get Owlette out. Oh, here she comes. Quickly, we've got to go and save the day. Luna Girl's stolen a diamond, Marley. Here we go. Put Owlette in the Owlette mobile. Okay, you put Owlette in. We'll have a look at Gecko Boy in his car. Here's Gecko Boy. He's ready to go and save the day. Whoa, and Owlette's in her special Owlette car. Owlette. Oh, Marley, what's going on? Okay, so where have they got to go?
Yeah.
Oh, I stole a diamond! Oh, no! Oh, I stole a diamond! I'm going to take this diamond up to the moon! Oh no, what happened?
Diamond.
Oh no, did they get the diamond? Where's the diamond? Is it going to be Gecko Boy or Cat Boy? Luna Girl's got the diamond again, she's getting away. Oh no, she's going up to the moon. Oh, I'm going up to the moon. I'm going to take this diamond up to the moon. Oh no. What are you going to do, Marley? Oh, did you save the diamond?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put the diamond? How about in Owlette's? In the back of Owlette's. Here's the diamond. Let's put the diamond in the back of Owlette, the Owlette mobile. And we're off, Marley. They saved the day.
Take it back home.
Oh, Luna Girl's got it again, Marley. What are we going to do?
Daddy.
Oh, I've got my diamond back. I've got my diamond back. Oh. What's next, Marley? Oh, I've got my diamond. What's going to happen, Marley? Oh, there we go. That boy saved the day.